mathstutor.biz and mathsdvds.co.uk Foundation Mathematics. Lesson 1, Part 4. In this lesson on number, we're going to look at the addition of number and other words used for addition. Sometimes we just shorten it to add, or we might say plus, or we might say find the total, and we might say sum. Now this is an interesting word because it's very often misused. I've heard teachers say we're going to do some sums, and they are not all addition. Questions are only sums if they are in fact addition. So other words for addition, we've got add, plus, find the total, or sum. Sum means add. So let's look at some quite straightforward addition of number without using a calculator. Now I would strongly recommend that if a question is written across the page, the first thing you do is write it out one on top of the other. So you've got 67 plus 56. And don't forget to put the sign to say that's in fact what you're doing. I'm going to add, plus, find the total of the sum of these two numbers. 7 add 6 is 13, and carry the 1. And show that you're carrying the 1. 6 and 5 is 11, and the 1 is 12. I found the sum of 67 and 56 is 123. Now find 236 plus 98. So we can add on 98, making sure we write it under the correct columns. 6 add 8 is 14. 1 and 4, there we go, carrying the 1. 6 and 8 is 14. 3 and 9 is 12, and the 1 makes 13. So that's 13, carrying the 1. 2 and that 1 is 3. So there we have the sum of 236 and 98. Find the total of 34 and 67 and 49. Find the total. Add them up. 4 and 7 is 11, and the 9 makes 20. 3 and 6 is 9, and another 4 is 13, and the 2 down there is 15. So we have a sum, a total of 150. And lastly, find the sum of 236 and 657. Now when you add up, it doesn't matter if the big number's on top or the big number's on the bottom. It will get the same answer whichever way you write it. So let's add this up. Let's find the sum. 6 and 7 is 13, carry the 1. 3 and 5 is 8, and the 1 is 9. 8 altogether when we get the 6 and the 2 added together. So addition is addition plus, find the total, and sum. So that was lesson 1, part 4 finished.